Hello everyone. Can you say hello, Miss Rani? Your turn. Well done everyone. Are you ready for some phonics? I've got Snowy all ready. Should we say hello to Snowy? We like saying hello to Snowy. Oh, and he's giving you a little wave again today. Have you got some things inside your box today, Snowy? Oh, yes, he has. Are you ready to find out what he's got inside his box? I know I am. Are you ready to sing our song and find out? Ready? 1, 2, 3. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, the box is moving around. It's ready to go in. It's opened. Ooh. Do you know what this is, boys and girls? It's an igloo. Igloo. An igloo is somewhere different types of people live where it's very cold. Igloo. So it's a home in a very, very cold country. My turn. Igloo. Your turn. My turn again. Igloo. Your turn again. Well done, everyone. So, igloo. Igloo. Let's give that to Snowy to look after. Are you ready to find out what else is in the box? After 3. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, it's giving itself moving around. It's another picture. Oh, there's lots of things on here. These are insects. Insects. My turn. Insects. Your turn. My turn again. Insects. Your turn. Well done. So we've got some insects and a picture of a igloo. Keep them safe by Snowy. I think there's only one more thing in our box before our box is empty. You ready to sing and find out? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, it's moving around. It's ready to come out. Ooh. Do you know what these are? These are a picture of instruments. 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 My turn. Instruments. Your turn. My turn. Instruments. Your turn. My turn again. Instruments. Your turn again. Instruments are played and make music and sounds for us. So today we've had some instruments, insect, and an igloo. This is a funny sound, boys and girls. When we make this sound, our mouth isn't open very wide. So look at Miss Rani. My tongue stays down in my mouth, just behind my teeth. My teeth have a little gap. The sound comes from like the back. It's okay if we can't say it yet. The more we try, the better we become. So today's sound is So let's put our instruments back on our box. Our igloo and our insect. Let's put Snowy back on his box as well to keep all his things safe. So today we've learned all about listening for the sound. I wonder if you have anything in your house that has the sound If you do, let someone know. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye, everyone. Can you say bye, bye, Miss Rani? Your turn. Bye, bye, Miss Rani. Well done. Oh, Miss Rani forgot. We haven't done anything to celebrate how well we did. Shall we do fireworks? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Well done, everyone. See you again soon. Bye.